Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a proper Dark Elixir loot in Town Online. I have been using this strategy for some time now and it's really being effective. So I'm just going to show you a replay of how it's done. First let's check out what are the troops that I take. 15 giants, 15 wizard, 3 wall breaker to take down the first line of defense, first line of wall, and then 66 archers, 13 or it can vary 13, 12, 13, 15 goblins, and then I have my queen, 2 heal spell, 1 rage spell and 1 jump spell which will act as a substitute for 4 earthquake spell. So I think that's a good logic. You can, if you put it at the right time, it will work the same as of earthquake spell, and the troops will go in. However, the video I'm going to show you here, I will not use that jump spell also. It's just how the goblin is used in this loot or in this type of attack to take down the loot. I'll show you guys. So first what I do is I'll release the giants there. The giants should be released not all at the same point. It should be scattered a bit so that the mortar damage or the splash damage will be less effective on them. Okay, so after doing that I will drop my queen, drop the wizards, and then the wall breakers to take down the first line of walls. Okay, so the giants are going in now. The first heal spell to keep them alive for some time. Here you can see the giants get trolled, and the queen also gets trolled, so it was a poor attack actually, all the troops getting trolled, but then also I was managed to get the loot of 2500. The archers will take down. Now that is the point where when I see that all the sides are taken, that entire compartment is broken, both the compartments, I'll drop my goblins as they will directly go towards the center of the base where the town hall and the D is kept. I have taken only 13 goblins, and now I will show you its power. So see how quickly they will take down the wall. Even the wall breaker is not needed, and once it takes down the second wall, it will go for the, and you can see that just in a glance the entire D was looted, which was, and then it will go for town hall, and even after 2 hidden Tesla continuously killing them, they will manage to take down the town hall also, so that will be a 2-star also for me. So the goblins are really useful and powerful if used in a right way and at the proper time, and that's it. I looted near about 2300 D, which is not a bad loot, with no D used, and also only a heal spell and with 1 rage spell. So you guys can check this out. If you think the walls are too high or they needed to be bypassed, so don't take 4 earthquake, instead of take 1 jump spell and it will work the same. So thank you guys, that was it. Hope you like it. If you like it, just press the like button, and if you have any questions then you can ask it on the comments.